peel the potatoes that we'll be cooking in this Moussaka recipe. Set the oven 200 degrees Celsius on the fan setting. So thinly slice 4 small or 3 large potatoes. And then put them together in a bowl. Some salt, some pepper, some thyme, and some oil. Mix it all together. Add it to your pan. Spread it out, and this goes in the oven for 20 minutes. Pop in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, next vegetable is aubergine, which we're going to thinly slice. Add the aubergine into the bowl. Add rosemary, pepper, salt, and some oil. Give it a mix around. You don't want the aubergine to be too dry when they go into the pan. So by the time you come to add them, if they look too dry, just add a bit more oil. And then add the aubergine to your vegetables. Next vegetable, courgette. So 2 courgettes. Again, finely chopped. Add the courgette to the bowl. Again, thyme, pepper, salt, and oil. Mix it all around. Add the courgettes to the vegetables. Spread them about. And then add this back to the oven for 20 minutes. Add some oil in. Add an onion. A hot tea. Tablespoon of cinnamon. And pepper. Soften the onion for about 5 minutes, and garlic to the mix. Add a tablespoon of paste, tomato paste. And just break it up with your tea. A tin of chopped tomato. And then warm this through, but you want to evaporate most of the liquid, so this is quite dry. So 100 grams of butter for the béchamel sauce. There you go, 100 grams of flour. For the sauce, there's 750 ml of milk, 100 grams of parmesan. This will get added to the béchamel sauce. So the mince is done, so we just take that off the heat and set it aside. Pan on a medium heat. Add 100 grams of butter to that. when that starts to melt, not burn, when it starts to melt, we'll add the flour. the oven 25 minutes. So we need to leave it to stand now for an hour, and then it should cut nicely into pieces.
Guys, I'm tasting the moussaka, homemade moussaka. It's really good. It's so good.